Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public Wi-Fi safely. First, always confirm the network name before connecting to prevent falling for fake hotspots. Many public networks have similar names, so double-check. Next, activate a virtual private network or VPN to encrypt your data. This creates a secure tunnel for your information, protecting it from prying eyes. Finally, turn off automatic Wi-Fi connection on your devices to prevent accidental connections to unsecured networks. When using public Wi-Fi, it's crucial to protect your personal data. Avoid logging into sensitive accounts such as online banking or email, as these are prime targets for hackers. Always check that websites you visit use HTTPS encryption, which you can identify by a small padlock icon in your browser's address bar. This ensures your connection to that specific site is secure. Also, keep your device's firewall active. It acts as a barrier against unwanted intrusions. Beyond network security, your device itself needs protection. Disable file sharing and features like AirDrop to prevent others on the same network from accessing your personal files. Regularly update your operating system and all applications. These updates often include critical security patches that fix vulnerabilities. Lastly, always use strong, unique passwords for every online account. A password manager can help you keep track of many complex passwords easily. For ultimate security, consider using your mobile data for any highly sensitive tasks, like financial transactions, if a secure Wi-Fi connection isn't available. After you finish using public Wi-Fi, remember to log out of all accounts and clear your browser's history and cache. This removes any lingering data that could be exploited. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep a breeze, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Stay safe out there.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.